he could make himself unplayable here. Really well taken goal. And already they're looking to run away with it. They are running riot. All too easy. They are in danger of disappearing out of sight. Germany take a 3-goal lead and they are romping out of sight. Reus, a scorer already in the game. Müller with a shot! That is gorgeous from Müller! Hot knife through butter. They have done it again. Oh, taken with style. And they are disappearing. He scores! All too easy. They are in danger of disappearing out of sight. It's Ozil! Mesut Ozil finds himself offside. Müller. There's the whistle for half-time. Germany have run riot in the first half, and barring a miraculous comeback, they have done the job already. Müller plays a clever pass. Danny. And he has been fouled there. Fabio Coentrao. Thiago. Hits it! Hits it! Portugal have a goal, but it's hard to see it as anything much more than a consolation. And it's Müller. It's a fabulous position. Germany haven't yet dipped into their subs. Götze. Reus. So what now? Great reaction. He's out once more. Knocks it towards the front. Reus with a delicate ball. Demanding a quick ball here. Jerome Boateng cuts it out. Toni Kroos tries a long pass towards the front. Schweinsteiger. Müller. Ozil! Jerome Boateng gathers from the goal kick. No mistake! Referee looks at his watch and blows his whistle. And on to